I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather, and it went just like this. No.
Hello! Hi! Mainit siya. Summer pa kasi dito. Wala pang winter, so welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So, today is nakaschedule ako maglinis ng cage ng dalawang ibon ni Coco at Coki. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Thank you! Here. You're so dirty. You're so dirty. Huh? You're so dirty, Coki. Coco. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Coco. Okay. Why so madumi? Why so madumi your cage? Why so madumi? Why so madumi your cage, Coco? So... Hello? Hello? Bakit? Ganito. Bakit? 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 Tell me. Nice? Hala, it's nice? Hala, it's nice? Wait, I clean first, Coki. Diba? Hi. Oh, you're eating your breakfast? That is for dinner. I love you. I love you. Answer me. Answer me. You should answer. You need to answer. I love you. I love you. Hi. I love you. Don't take your water. Give me your water. No? Shh. Stop it. She's not a boy. So naughty. Oppa. 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 You say. Yep. No. Yeah, you're really naughty. Why you really like to bite? You bite me before. Coco? Say I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Coki. I love you, Coco. I love you, Coco. I love you, Coco. I love you. I love you. Love you. Can you get me, get me, get me? Be on your horse, come and get me. We're almost done. Behave. Behave, Coki. Behave. Behave. Yes. No. Sorry. Sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go up, up. You're hungry. You're hungry. You and me. Ay. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Go up. No, I'll give you food later, Coco. You want to go here? No, 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 no. You're almost done. I do this as fast as I can. We're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving later. Hey, what are you doing, Coki? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so quiet. You're so quiet. Why? Why? Why are what? Why are you so quiet today? What happened? What happened? Why are you so quiet today, Coki? You never say. You never tell me every morning. Huh? It's done. Bravo. 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 Give me kiss. Give me kiss. Give me kiss. Oh, Coki. I did put a Coco. Coco, you're not eating. Why? You're on diet? You're on diet? You're not eating. So, Coco is done. Where's the food? Coco is done. And now, Coki. It's Coki's turn. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Have you? I love you too. Up. Up. What's that? Up. What's that? I love you too. I love you too, Coki. Do do do. No, 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 no. You're going down. You're going down. Come in. Huh? Say I love you, baby. Coki. I don't like to do that because you're so quiet. You're so quiet. I want you to talk. I want you to talk, Coco. Okay. I want you to talk. Talk, 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 talk. Hello. I love you too. I love you too. You love me or Coco? You love me or you love Coco? I love you too. Habibi. Up? No. No. Go up, 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 up. You're almost done. Ah, I forgot to put. Don't need to put. You play your food. Half of your food, you just play. You didn't eat. You just play your food. You're so naughty. 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 You see? Half of so many. Look at this. So naughty. I love you. But I love you. But I love you. But I love you. Even you're so naughty. Up. Up. Up, up. Yeah. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Okay. I love you. 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 Ooh, 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 ooh. And it's done. There's your sample food. Oh, that's the thing. Coki, please. Don't throw your food. Don't lay your food again, Coki. Haram. You're so naughty. Eat properly. Like Coco. Like Coco. You see? That's good. That's good. It's true. Come here. Eat your breakfast. And it's done. We're done here. We're done here. We're done. That's it. That's it. Move. That's it. So, we're done now. We're done. We're done. Charan! And I think that's all for today. So, tapos na ako sa schedule ko for today. Nalinis ko na yung dalawang kahon na nalinis ko na yung 2 kahon ng ibon. So, yun, tapos na. I think is, have a blessed Sunday everyone pala. Alis kami mamaya eh. Hindi ko alam kung ako ba yung dadalhin ni nung lola or yung isa kong kasama. But, okay lang naman sa akin kung ako or siya. But, ang importante is yun. Tapos na, antay na lang kami kung anong plan ng lola. Pero tapos na talaga yung work ko for today. Yun lang talaga yung kahon ng 2 ibon, ng makukulit na ibon. So, yun so hindi pa nakasubscribe please subscribe. And then, para ma-notified kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng video, ng vlog ko, is ma-notified kayo, is yung, hit nyo lang yung maliit na bell sa tiny bell dyan sa gilid, banda dyan sa baba. So, I hope guys, kakasimula ko lang talaga. I hope na mag-grow yung channel ko. And then, thank you sa mga nag-subscribe na, sa mga nag-review. Thank you so much. And then, ayun, God bless and be safe always. Hindi ko alam. Minsan talaga naubusan ako ng sinasabi. So, yun na. That's all for today. So, bye-bye. Sa uulitin. Tingnan natin kung kailan ako ulit makakapag-record ng video. So, thank you so much. Bye-bye.